Friends, today's video is on snacks. Snacks are integral part of our diet, but the snacks can be harmful or they can be very useful, and they may even help you live life more or live longer if your choice is correct. Now, the research has linked regular nut consumption with lower risk of heart disease and overall mortality, which means overall death rate. And interestingly, it has been found that nuts are healthier options than whatever other packaged snacks we usually grab when we are hungry. So it's always better to plan your snacks and keep handy those nuts with you wherever you are, whether you are in your office or you're at your business or you're traveling. But nuts are better snacks because when eaten in moderation, the nuts can satisfy your hunger. They can help you stay full for longer. Why? Because the nuts have got good amount of healthy fats, they've got good amount of fiber, plant protein, magnesium, and antioxidants, which are good for us, and they help us fight the oxidative stress. So if the nuts are consumed in restricted amount over a long period of time regularly, they can help you improve your cholesterol, which is a risk factor for heart disease or stroke. It can improve your insulin sensitivity, inflammation, and satiety. Satiety means a feeling of fullness that you've eaten something and you don't need to grab any other food for a longer time, which means you consume lesser number of calories because you feel full. Now, this is what these new GLP-1 injections or shots, which are being used to lose weight, this is what they do. They give you the feeling of satiety in spite of the fact that you don't eat, but still you feel full. Now, if nuts can do the same magic, how about using nuts for losing weight, for staying healthy, for giving your cells the right nutrition? But the caution needs to be exercised because nuts are also nutrient dense as well as calorie dense too. So a small handful a day can be a powerful snack distributed throughout the day. But if you're watching Netflix or your favorite TV channel, a full box or large amount of nuts may not be helpful. That may be rather retroproductive as far as the caloric intake goes. So don't end up overeating or overusing nuts, which are so very healthy, an option for snacks. My personal tip: try replacing processed snacks with a handful of nuts or natural, peanuts, almonds, walnuts, cashews, pistachios, pecan nuts, whatever nuts. But nuts, or in addition to nuts, some seeds can also be added, like watermelon seeds, like flax seeds, like chia seeds. So these small choices repeated daily shape your long-term metabolic health. This is your friend in health from Live Life More, signing off for now. Dr. Sandeep Jassal this side.